Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Blogging course. In today's lesson, we will learn why you should start a blog. There are more than 13 benefits of starting a blog. But first of all, you should have clarity that why do you want to start blogging. When you have clarity, then you will be able to stay in blogging for a long time. Let's talk about why you should start a blog. Now I will tell you 5 reasons because of which you should start blogging. The first reason is that you can earn money online by blogging. As you all know, many people got unemployed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Keeping this in mind, everyone wants to earn money online today. In blogging, you can earn money online with affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. This is the reason in which everyone is interested. Yes, you can run a home through your blog. And many bloggers are running their home from their blogging income. If you are a working person or working professional, then you can learn some new skills while blogging, and by which you can get a promotion in your job life. Also, there will come a time when you will leave the job and choose blogging as a full-time career. Blogging is such a great way that you can earn passive income. If you have a blog with a lot of traffic or readers, then you can monetize that blog and earn money. In today's world, being multi-talented and having additional sources of income is very beneficial. And through blogging, you can increase income sources. If you are doing a job that doesn't make you enough money, blogging can become a great side hustle for you. Yes, it is possible, but it's not easy. For this, you will have to work very hard. The people which you seeing earning money in blogging, they also work hard for a couple of years continuously and invest their money, and then they get success in blogging. Second reason, you should do blogging to learn new skills. You know very well that blogging is such a skill due to which you can get a job in digital marketing field. When I started blogging, I did it to learn something new. I never thought that I would learn many skills from blogging, but now I am blogging full time. Means I am a full time blogger now. Blogging can help you learn many skills. Blogging forces you to teach yourself what you don't know. And when you start writing blog posts, you are forced to reorganize your thoughts. Through blogging, you can learn many skills such as WordPress management skills, SEO skills, graphic designing skills, email marketing skills, social media marketing skills, content management and content writing skills, Google Ads skills, Facebook Ads skills, networking and content marketing skills. The content you write also enhances your knowledge. This way you learn new skills in blogging. The third reason is that you can build your personal brand with blogging. Along with learning new skills, the more you write about a topic, the more you become an authority on that topic. Becoming an authority in your niche or topic helps make your online personal brand bigger. Building your personal brand is a strong idea to turn your blog into a big startup like Backlinko, yourstory.com. When you have a blog, you basically have a channel through which you can promote yourself and sell your own digital products. Blogging enables you to build your own media company. You can tell your story the way you want without relying on journalists. When you are writing about a topic that interests you, you can decide how to outline the story, what information to add and what information to remove. In this way, you can build your personal brand with blogging. And this is the third reason for blogging. The fourth reason is you can get your dream job because of blogging. In this world, everyone has a dream job, but most people can't fulfill that dream. So their dream job remains only a dream job. Because of blogging, you can get promotion in your professional life. At the same time, you can also create additional income source. But the truth is that blogging can be right step towards a job that will change your working life like 9 to 5 job. When I started blogging, I never thought that I would work in content marketing. What I learned during my blogging journey, blogging has combined to make that content marketing job reality. This is how you can get your dream job in digital marketing because of blogging. The fifth reason, The blogging can help you gain popularity and financial freedom. As soon as your blog becomes famous, then people will start knowing you, and you will have a community to whom you can sell your products or services. To get popularity, you have to start both blogging and YouTube if you have time. With affiliate marketing and blogging, you can build passive income. As you become more involved in blogging, you will come to know many ways to earn money. Blogging can give you everything you want, but you will have to make some sacrifices too. Also, while blogging, you will also know what you really want, what exactly happening in your mind. Okay, blogging takes time and money. You can't do business without investment. If you want to earn more money, then you have to work with the business mindset in blogging, because blogging is a real business. According to 1% rule, only 1% of internet users actively create new content, which means only 1% people are content creator. And while other 99% of people consume that content, which means 99% people of whole world is content consumer. And I want you have to become a content creator, not content consumer. By blogging, you separate yourself from 99% of the people who don't do blogging, which means you will become a content creator now. And it does not take time for content creator to become famous. In a fast growing economy, it is very important to stand out and be unique from others. Keep in mind, blogging is not a get rich quick scheme so that you can print money overnight. There is no fixed income in blogging. Whatever knowledge you have about blogging, you have to take action on it. Without implementation, you will not able to do anything in blogging. Well, blogging can completely change your life, just like blogging has changed my life. If you are an action taker, then you should start your blogging journey right now. Remember, blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep in mind that blogging is alive as long as there is a Google search. Today, most people use the internet, and if someone wants any information, then he directly types in Google and Google gives the results. But blogging has changed a bit in today's. A few years ago, blogging used to be in the format of text only, but in today's time, blogging has changed. Today's blogging is also done in the format of video and text. So the future of blogging is right and good, but also more competitive. Also, if you want to improve your writing skill, then blogging is the best option for you. So far, what I have told in this video also defines that blogging still has scope and you can make a very good career in it. But you have to choose a topic or a niche that is evergreen, meaning that topics should be talked about in the future also. Okay, if topic is futuristic, then you will be in the blogging for a long time. But and I hope you learned something from this video. Share this video with your friends, relatives and on WhatsApp group too, so that your friend can also take advantage of this ultimate blogging course. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to Blogging Play Digital channel for more updates. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, also press bell icon so that you will get the notification of the next video. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Become a blogging player.